Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to mine FIRECOIN. FIRECOIN is a new Telegram mining app. However, before we get started, if you find our video tutorials useful and helpful, do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, the Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain Network. I will be dropping the contract address in the description below this video. So now let's get into today's video. Now to mine the FIRECOIN, you'll be needing a referral link. So I will be getting a link from a friend. It redirects you to Telegram. You click on Start. To get started. So here we have, this is the FIRECOIN mining app. You click on this yellow icon at the middle to continuously tap and tap and tap and tap. So you can utilize these icons underneath. You can use the friend button to get your referral link and invite more friends for more bonuses. You can click on the N icon to earn more bonuses by following their Twitter handle and joining their Telegram chat group. You can also utilize the booster icon to increase your mining per tap, your recharge speed, and your mining capacity. You can continue tapping until infinity. So guys, this is all for this video. So if you find this tutorial useful and helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up. And also remember to share to friends and family. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching.